Hello, my beautiful YouTube family. Y'all know what's going on, but your girl got her Ipsy Plus bag already. Y'all know what to do. Stay tuned. Hello again, loves. Ipsy Plus. $28 monthly. They also have the Glam Bag, which is $13 a month, or you can get the Glam Bag X, it's a combined thing. Glam Bag X for $50 every 3 months. And what they do is they subtract the $28 off the Ipsy Plus, and then you end up paying the additional for the Glam Bag X, which totals up to $50. But they do subtract your regular box off the amount right off the top, which you already planned on paying, and then they add on the remaining amount. So if you get the Glam Bag, you minus $13, and then you add on what makes it up to the $50. Yeah, your girl's a little tongue-tied. Go figure. Never fails. So, Glam Bag Plus. For March, I actually was expecting like something green because of it being March. Maybe green will come in April. But here's the bag for this month. Noah said if it was green little cubes, he was going to steal it for Minecraft. Cute little bag. What I do with my bags, you guys. Oh, let me show you this first. On the line here, it says, bold moves only. Isn't that cute? So what I do with my extra bags, and I've had multiple people send me theirs, thank you so very much, is Noah and I, once a week, we will take our extra sanitary hygiene things, little snacks that are dry, and we pack the bags full of it, and we go and hand it out to the homeless people. We hand it out to the school so that they'll have it for the kids who don't have lunch and stuff when they're not at school. So I greatly appreciate it if y'all could send me your extra bags that you do not use. I will leave my P.O. box down in the description for you. All right, guys, let's get into it. Ipsy Glam Plus for $28 monthly. Your girl did this look with it. I will start the video right up there for you. And let's start talking about the things that we got. We got the Multitasker 4-in-1 makeup brush. Vegan, latex-free, cruelty-free. Now, as you see up there in the video, here it is. I did not care too much for the sponge because it's quite firm. It's a very firm sponge. But you can use this for contour. You can use it for blush. And then also, guys, watch. There's the eyeliner or even your brow, or you can use it for lippy. I used it for my eye. Well, I use my shadow underneath my eyeliner with the Viseart palette that I used. Here it is. It's just an angled brush. And then you can unscrew the other side. It's a wonderful multitasking tool. Look here. Ta-da! That's what I use to put my base shadow on. And then you just screw it all right back together. This here is made by Alley Oop. That's a cute name. And its value, you guys. This here is valued at 28 bucks. Wowzers. That's 4 makeup brushes in one, you guys. Now, let's move on to the Viseart palette. This one here is the what? I have 2 other ones. This one says Paris on it. I don't think I wrote it down, y'all. This here is valued at $30. It is the palette that I show you in the video up there. I love Viseart's palettes. Look at that. They're gorgeous. I'll put some swatches right up there for you guys. It's very long wearing. Blends out very, very well. I mean, it's just gorgeous. I love it. I love their formulas. I love their shades. I love their packaging. It's so compact. And it comes in this box. And the other thing I want to show you is their shade saver is square. It fits right over the top of the shades and you just pop it right off. You don't have any peeling and taking that chance of sticking your nail down in their shadows. I really do love this. Again, you guys, it's valued at 30 bucks. Next thing we have here. This is the, I want to call it Cello. This is the mascara I used. The value on it is $25. I put 2 coats of mascara on with this, you guys. I show it in the video up there also. Look at this wand. The bristles. They spread out my lashes. Here, we're actually going to put a little bit more on. Try not to poke myself in the eyeball. I mean, look. Lengthened. I think it has that tubular effect in it. There wasn't a lot of information that I read about it. I mean, I can try to read on the box because, you guys, Ipsy's cards doesn't give us any info. We have to go back on the site and look at it. This month's is called Power Moves. And it has a dynamic skincare duos for our tips and tricks on it. And then advertises their add-ons. It does not tell us on these cards what is in our bag or how much it is or anything. So I'm going to try to read off of here and see if this is waterproof or if it was tubular or what in the world it is. Good Drama Mascara in black. Yeah, we got that. Wiggle the mascara wand, the base of the lash line through the end of the lash, lightly separating as you go up. Yeah, we know how to do that. Okay. Hello, beautiful. Who said drama can't be good? Formulated with hemp seed extract, argan oil, and vitamin E and C. This high def that wraps around each individual lash, our mascara always separates and never clumps your lashes. Good drama with none of the fuss. So yes, it is the tubular mascara. What tubular means is it encases around your lashes and links them. So it's not a fiber lash. It is the mascara that is lengthening your lashes. And I absolutely loved the bristles on it. Again, it is Cella and it is worth $25. Now, it does not say that it's waterproof, so I'm going to assume it is not. That would be the only fail on this so far. I mean, I really liked it a lot. Next thing we have here from the amazing Gerard Cosmetics. I will show a little picture of Miss Jen Gerard's channel right up there. She has an amazing dog. His name is Yogi. He just had a birthday. And I'll list her channel down there in the description for you guys. If you go over and join her, make sure you tell her that Sunny sent you over. We got the shade 1995. This was just gorgeous. I don't have this one, which I was a little blown away. I have 90210. I have Melrose Place, Ballerina Slipper, and I used their lip liner to go with it. I mean, y'all, it's a beautiful, beautiful nude lipstick. Here's your swatch for it. Gorgeous. Now, this is the Hydra Mattes. They don't go completely transfer proof, but they are extremely long wearing, and they are valued at, I believe it was $20. Yeah, $20 for that, you guys. Very, very long lasting. I've still got a bunch of mine back there. Love them, and I love Jen and Yogi so very much. Jen is just an absolute sweetheart. She is the owner and CEO of Gerard Cosmetics. And like I said, Yogi's her little dog. She's absolutely, I love them both. They're absolutely adorable. I did get some add-ons for this month, and I got two. Well, I actually only paid for one MTU NYC Illuminizer, and they sent me two. $3 for these. They're normally $7. So I'm going to actually be doing an MTU NYC video for you guys again because I also have their brand new mascara. And I got the, what did I do with it? Let me find it. The Anastasia Brow Wiz in the color taupe on the add-ons. I love this because it's universal. It does get darker if you build it up. But look how slim that stick is. Look at that. Now, this is, I believe, like $25. I think that's what it is. But, again, I think I got it for $8 on add-ons. It was an amazing, amazing, wonderful buy, you guys. All right, my loves. What is the total for the Ipsy Plus month of March that I only paid $28 for? $137, you guys. I only paid $28 for it. As you guys have heard a numerous amount of times, Ipsy is an amazing, amazing beauty subscription box. Occasionally you get skincare. Oh, I forgot to show you guys. I also got this R. I'm so sorry. R Plus Co. Maybe it's R and Co. It is a textured, they call it Velvet Curtain. It says Cotton Touch Texture Balm. You can put this in your hair wet or dry. I didn't use it, and that's why I forgot about it. So what you do is I would use it when my hair was wet, and I would just scrunch it in my hair like that. let it dry a little bit, and then take my curling wand, and it helps you hold that curling wand in your hair. It helps the curl stay there because it creates texture in your hair to hold on to the style. So I'm definitely going to try this because I don't have any texture serums out there at all. So I will be trying this, you guys. It is valued at $34. That's what the discrepancy in the total of value was. All right, loves. That's all for my Ipsy Plus for the month of March. I said I was expecting green and Irish and, I don't know, St. Patty's Day stuff. Maybe that'll come for April Fool's Day. I don't know. We'll see. All right, loves. I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you're subscribed. Always read the descriptions because you never know when your girl's doing a secret giveaway. All right, loves. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.